Hello everyone, you're watching SQL for data analysts and data scientists. Current topic for this lecture is group by statement, and let's see how to use it in SQL. This is lecture number 20 given by myself, Shinaz Malik, and let's move on and see what we have within this lecture. So remember the group by statement, okay? What it does, groups the rows that have the same values into summary rows, okay, and is often used with the aggregate functions like count, max, min, sum, average, and then to group the results set by one or more columns. The syntax is given here, you can see it clearly, okay. All we need to do is we select some columns, then show the table name. We can put our condition if we need to put in condition, our condition in, and then we can have group by column name, and we can also order by. But I'm just going to simplify all this and just first show you how this group by statement is used. To make it as simple as possible, let's open our Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, okay, and I have already done it for you. As you see, I'm already there, and I have written a query for you guys. Now see what I am basically. The task is simple. So we need to select and count chord types, okay, as total chords, and select expiry year from sales dot credit card and group by expiry year, okay. Now the database used in this is as usual. If you don't have this database and have joined just now, so then please go onto this website. You can download the database, and I have shown how to attach it in my previous lectures. Just go and find it, and then you can come and take it from here, or you can take the knowledge from here and apply it into your task that you have in your daily professional work environment. Okay, now to understand all this, what I'm doing, I think I need to quickly do one more thing just to show you guys what I'm doing. So let us take first everything from our this. Okay, so basically I'm selecting everything. Yeah, I don't need this here, just to show you what I'm doing, okay. Now let's first execute this query. So here it is. I'm executing just select all from sales dot credit card, okay, and ending my query here. So basically what we have inside it, we have a feature called credit card ID. We have card type, card number, expiry month, expiry year, and modified date. What I'm interested in, in this query is, let's see what we are interested. I am interested to select this card type, which is this column, and then I want to count because we have various card types, okay, and I'm saying give me the count as total cards, and then expiry date, okay, and I'm using, I want to take this from this table, and then I'm showing the table name, okay, this is just from which table, and if you don't know, this, if you go into database, you will find this table there, and I'm just saying, requesting, can you group by expiry year, okay, this column, okay. Now let's see when we execute all this. So here it is. Now this query, the top query, okay, the top query, which is this one, gives you this result. If you see where I'm hovering my mouse at the moment, and the bottom select statement, bottom query, okay, is giving us this. So basically what's happening, if you see, if I go here, okay, and you see I have returned 19,118 rows, 18 records, okay, and from this database. This is my details, okay, and this is where I'm connected to. Now, and if you can see here, the query executed successfully. So what I mean to say, all this result of first window is from this query, and that's just to show you what's happening. If you understood all this, okay, then we can actually take this out and just see the result of this. But I wanted to show you where from we are fetching and why we are getting these results. Now, if you see what I have said, count card types. Okay, so here is these card types are count. Okay, and I have requested, then just to make it simple, we will write better queries, which makes more sense. But I just want to first make you guys understand how this query is working and what it does at the back end. Okay, now once we count this and we select this, and I'm requesting expiry year, and I'm requesting, can you group it by expiry year? So if you see now 2007 expiry year, if a card is ending in 2007, then basically we have 4,832 such cards which which are ending in the year 2007, and same, and likewise 2008 we have 4,736 cards. And when we are going to write complex queries, we'll have more fields, more features fetched in, and then that will create a record which will make more business sense. But at the moment this is how it works. But now let me take this out. We don't need this. I just showed you how it works. And now if I execute it, here it is. So I hope it was useful for all of you guys. Okay, I hope this makes sense. And if it does, and if you liked this video and this query, then please subscribe, connect if you haven't done it until now, and please hit the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload new videos. I hope to see all of you in my next video. Until then, I thank you all for watching Data Analytics Professionals, and remember to like, share, and hit the notification bell. Remember, sharing is caring. With that, it's time to say to all of you, goodbye.